What do program and optional stops cost? Does your shop floor suffer from excessive durations of program and optional stoppages? To minimize the impact of program and optional stops, manufacturers can implement Scytec DataXchange, a preventative smart factory solution that monitors your shop floor equipment and invests in and empowers your shop floor personnel with intuitive charts and dashboards that identify and address potential issues before they become major problems. Unplanned downtime and excessive issues that result in machines not running can result in lost production time, decreased productivity, missed deadlines, and loss of revenue. Whether it's a machine that should be down for under a minute to blow off chips or down for an hour, DataXchange will track your program and optional stops and show you built-in Pareto charts to see exactly where you are losing the most time. For an average-size manufacturer, the cost of program and optional stops on a given day can range from a few $100 to several $1,000s per hour. Take a proactive approach to reduce the frequency and duration of program and optional stops with Scytec DataXchange, the leader in smart factory solutions. Manufacturers will save a significant amount on production costs, increase utilization an average of 10 to 30%, improve OEE, and fine-tune their processes. For more information, please visit Scytec.com.